In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the Pedro Pascal dancing video meme on TikTok. So first thing that you have to do is to download any editor that you find comfortable to use. So here I'm using Capcut, which is easier to use for TikTok. So make sure that it's downloaded and updated to your phone. Now let's exit that and go to our TikTok account. Now all you have to do is just to go to your search bar, tap on the upper right and type Pedro Pascal dancing, and in here you can choose a template, for example this one. In this bottom part here, you can see Capcut try this template, so just tap on that and you will be typing the use template in Capcut. So since Capcut is available already on your phone, just allow it to paste and tap use template, and from there you can choose any videos or photos from your gallery. And there we go, it's your own video or picture with Pedro Pascal dancing on that video. So this is basically the process, and once you're done with it, then you can just click export, tap on the upper right, and then you can save and share to TikTok. Let's tap on it, wait for it to finish exporting, and then it will prompt you this, heading you to the TikTok account. Then just tap next. If you wish to add sounds, you can add sound, and then tap post. So that's the process of how to create this Pedro Pascal dancing meme on TikTok. If you find this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe.